Congratulations, Mohan, for clearing your written exam.
Thank you, ma'am.
How do you feel, Mohan?
I am feeling very exaggerated as I have cleared this elite examination of my own and with the help of my parents and mentors.
So tell me about your family background.
I have 5 members in my family. My father, he is the head of a family and he is currently serving in an Indian Army for 26 years. My mother, she is a homemaker and I am gifted with 2 elder sisters. One of them is pursuing 11th class from the same school from which I am pursuing, and the other one is pursuing her graduation from our university.
See, it's a dream of so many children to crack this exam, Mohan.
Yes, ma'am.
So whom do you give the credit for your success?
Ma'am, I give credit to my mentors and teachers and my parents for supporting me and to me myself.
And your hobbies, Mohan? Your
Sir,
hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies include playing volleyball, singing and making PPTs.
Okay, making PPTs. So you are very fond of computer and computing.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Mohan, so why do you want to join RIMC?
Sir, RMC provides a best environment and education to its Rimkolian, which inspires them to join Indian Army and serve their motherland. And it is one of the best platform for preparing for NDA. That's why.
Okay, so talking about your hobbies, your hobby is playing volleyball. So how many players are there in a team of volleyball?
Sir, there are 6 players in the team of volleyball.
Okay, 6 players. And do you know anything about the India's rank in international volleyball?
Sorry, sir, I'll read about it.
Okay. And if I talk about the current scenario, so have you heard about farm bills or farmers
Yes, sir.
agitation that was just ended? So tell me about the farm bills.
Sir, the government introduced the 3 farm bills which were for the enhancement for the agriculture sector in India only. The first and foremost bill introduced that the farmers can sell their produce other than the mandis of the government, and the second was that they can give their private contracts to the big companies, and the third was that they can make the interstate businesses, allowing them not only to sell their produce in their own state but also in the other state.
So do you think that these 3 farm bills were beneficial to the farmers or not beneficial because the government has ended them? So why do you think that government took that step?
Sir, the bills were indeed beneficial to the farmers because it was allowing them to sell their produce as far as their extent is concerned. Moreover, the government set a price that is known as MSP, minimum support price, which a farmer can get from its produce.
What is that minimum support?
So the minimum support price, also known as MSP, was introduced by the government only in the 3 farms bills. It was allowing the farmers that no one can exploit them of their yield, and farmers can get the enough deserving price of their yield and their
How
hard work.
that MSP scenario is how MSP is counted?
Sir, it is counted as the 1.5 times of the total.
Good. So you are from rural area or urban?
Sir, I belong to rural area.
Rural area. So your father is farmer or do you have any kind of land, agriculture land?
Yes, sir, we have agriculture land, but it is managed by my grandfather now.
Coming back to you, Mohan, tell me something about your native place.
Ma'am, I hail from Aligarh, from where I am pursuing my academics. Aligarh's DM is IAS Selva Kumari and its mayor is Muhammad Fakran. It is famous for its locks and keys and Aligarh Muslim University and indeed Aligarh Fort. Moreover, it is famous for Aligarh movement, which was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, and it was once seen as the modern hub for Western style scientific education for the Mohammedan people by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan.
Acha, one more question, Mohan. If you were not selected in RMC, so what would you do?
First of all, ma'am, I think that I will be selected for IMC as I have done hard work. But unfortunately, if I am not able to make up this exam, then I will appear for Rashtriya Military School as well as Sainik School class 9th.
So out of these three, Air Force, Navy and Army, which one fascinates you the most?
Sir, among these three, Army is my first priority because my father and my grandfather have served in Indian Army and I want to continue my family's legacy. That's why.
No other reason is there?
Yes, ma'am, there is another reason because from the cradle of my life, of my childhood, I have seen nothing but the army environment. I have seen my father going at 6 o'clock for the PT and that inspired me the most. That's why I want to join Indian Army.
So your hobby is, what did you say your hobby is?
My hobbies are playing volleyball, singing and making people.
Yes, singing. You said about singing.
Yes, ma'am.
So which kind of songs do you listen to?
Ma'am, I generally sing the motivational songs.
You sing or you like to listen?
Ma'am, I like to listen and sing.
So can you sing a song for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, the song is the Lakshya and it is हाँ यही सपना है तेरा तूने पहचाना है हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना है रोके तुझको आंधियां या ज़मीं आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है
That's very good.